Hi, I'm Kim Soren, and I'm here to show you some tips that the pros use that you can use at home to make some exciting and delicious cuisine. One of the most frustrating things about guacamole is that the avocado oxidizes so fast. But we have a few tricks that we're going to show you today to keep that from happening as quickly. The ingredients and materials that you will need are, obviously, your freshly made guacamole, the pit from the avocado, lime juice, and plastic wrap. First thing we're going to do is take the lime juice and sprinkle it over the top of the guacamole. Take the pit from the avocado and stick it straight in the middle of your guacamole mix. Finally, all you need to do is take the plastic wrap, remove a nice big strip, bigger than your bowl, tear it off, and place it, pressing the surface down on top of the guacamole mix. That will prevent any further oxygen from getting into the mix and turning your avocado and the whole guacamole that gross brown that nobody likes. I'm Kim Soren, and that's how you preserve your guacamole.